Molly Mae Hague has continued to show off her wealth after posing in pricey Louis Vuitton sliders earlier today. The 22-year-old, who recently purchased her first property with Tommy Fury, took to her Instagram to snap her feet in the sought-after designer footwear. 6. Molly Mae has continued to show off her wealth after splashing out on the £3.5 million MansionCredit, YouTube. 6. The Love Island star took to Instagram to show off her Louis Vuitton sliders credit, Instagram. Last month, the 22-year-old and boxer boyfriend Tommy revealed that, after a 3-year search, they had finally found their perfect pad. The media personality shared a photo of her personalized keyrings and told fans she was over the moon with the next chapter in her life. The inscription on the keyring read, "Our first home, Molly and Tommy," with the caption reading, "Keys collected. One of the happiest days of my life." The Love Island star also shared a clip from inside the property, which featured a living area with a patterned green feature wall, a large patio and a huge garden. Molly Mae also showed fans another room with a grey wall, matching cabinets and a show-stopping statement mirror. The star recently told fans that she plans to live there for roughly 5 to 10 years and admitted it's not her forever home. She added that she hopes to have her first baby and get engaged in her new home before investing in a second property. "I see us having our first baby there if we're lucky enough to have babies," Molly Mae said on her latest YouTube video. "We'll be there when we get engaged and maybe get married, that's where we'll live when all those things happen. But I don't think it will be forever ever and ever, I'm only 22. So in 10 years' time I'll be 32 and I'll probably want a bit of a change by then." Molly Mae has seen her career as an influencer reach new heights, launched her own fake tan brand and has also become the creative director of Pretty Little Thing. The businesswoman is thought to be worth around £2 million, with the PLT deal being worth 7 figures. 6. Molly Mae Hague revealed her house news with fans last month. Credit, Instagram. 6. She shared a picture of a bedroom which will soon be a dressing room. Credit, YouTube. 6. The star also showed a bathroom, but it won't stay the same for long. Credit, YouTube. 6. Molly Mae and Tommy picked up the keys to their mansion earlier this month. Credit, Instagram. "We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.